In this video, you will see how to make first page header different in Word document. As you can see, I have added a first page header different than the second page header. To make first page header different, first you need to activate the header region. And to activate the header region, you can go to the Insert tab, click on the header option and select Edit Header to activate the header region. Now if you directly start typing inside the header region, you will notice that the header appears on both the pages, which we don't want. So to make the header different on first and second page, we just need to click on this option, Different First Page. After clicking on this option, we can add different headers. So let's go ahead. So I clicked on it and now I will type the header first page, and on the second page we will type different header, for example header second page. And after editing the header, just double click inside the Word document, and that's how you can make first page header different in Microsoft Word. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen related to header. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.